A sober black shawl hides her body entirely, touched by the sun and the salt spray of the sea. But down in the darkness, a slim hand so lovely carries a rich bunch of red roses for me. Her petticoat simple, and her feet are but bare, and all that she has is but neat and scanty. But stars in the deep of her eyes are exclaiming, I carry a rich bunch of red roses for thee. No arrogant gem sits enthroned on her forehead, or swings from a white ear for all men to see. But jeweled desire in a bosom so pearly carries a rich bunch of red roses for me.